Hi guys, nandito na ulit tayo sa dyno and we have here a Land Cruiser 200 series. Naka off-road setup siya. Big tires, big wheels, big suspension. Siyempre, nabagalan na yung customer. Palalakasin natin and i-bring back natin yung lost power. So we're done tuning this 200 series Land Cruiser. At first we had 232 and up to 254, and lastly we ended up with 276 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. We also turned off the EGR, the speed limit, we also removed that, and the throttle response delay nawala na rin. So clean engine and good to go. Nawala na lahat ng delays and power due to lift and off-road setup. Okay, so we're done. I'm Abram of Constant Racing. So we added more than 100 HP and 220 Newton meters of torque with just our Constant ECU tune. So feel free to contact us at Facebook, Instagram, email us, or reach us at 0906-214-0208. So thank you.